Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Brianna and I'm a third grade teacher in North Carolina. And I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much for all of the congratulations for my new job, my engagements on my last video. If you missed it, go ahead and click here. I am in the process of packing up my classroom to move out. I'm getting excited. I've been so ready. I've had this new job for months now, and I just told my students on Friday. So yes, if you missed my previous video, watch that first. Today I'm just cleaning up, packing up my library. So I'm going to make these short and sweet as I get back rolling into things, but of course I'm going to take y'all along the way. So if you are not subscribed, please subscribe so that you can follow me to my new school. It is several days later and yearbooks came in, so we have boxes. So I just went and grabbed all the books my kids were currently reading in their book bins. I'm going to sort those out, make sure everything is sorted, and then I'm going to start putting them in these boxes. This is really nice because they're tiny, and when you put so many books in a box, it gets very heavy. So hopefully this keeps them sorted nicely for moving. If you've been around my channel for a while, I have Pocket Full of Primaries library labels, and just this year I updated all of them. So they're all neat, they're all organized. The sticker on the book matches the sticker on the label. So I'm going to put them in the boxes accordingly and weed out any like older books or ones that kids don't really grab. These are a hot commodity, so I think these will be fine, but yeah. All right, I fit all my Who, What, Where, Was, I Survived, and historical fiction books in this box. On to the next. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bins. That's awesome. Ranger in Time, that's the other one. So I stacked those bins together with the label still on. Okay, all of my bookshelves are empty and they've made it to bins. This other stuff was just stuff on top that I moved out of the way for now. They are all labeled on the top. Everything down there is stuff that belongs to my school. And then there's my bins just on the shelf out of the way for now. I literally grabbed the perfect amount. I didn't think I would need this many, but I'm so glad I grabbed them. I have 2 extra, and I have my personal books. Fabulous. Thank y'all so much for watching. Like I said, it'll be short and sweet, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.